Welcome to another Seed for Cliff. And today we're a bit upset because we just found out that they're not celebrating Grimace's birthday anymore. We really wanted to have the shake, but you know what? We're actually going to go to the store to get ingredients to make it. So, store and we're going to crack the code to the ingredients to the Grimace shake. And we're gonna make a one that's Grimace's not gonna do any of that because it's gonna be homemade, right? So come on. It's Grimace! This might be a sign from Grimace. We're going to get vanilla ice cream. Weird picture. Right here. We're gonna sit in this chair. Relaxing. I know. We're not to make a video right here. Do that. This is chocolate. Woo! Tastes love all over the world. Hey guys, if you haven't watched our Hershey video, go ahead, check it out after this. It's a really fun video. Start button. Here.
Happy birthday, Grimace. What is on your Amazon wish list? Giving me everything you want. You're the new friend we're looking for. Happy birthday, Grimace.
It's right. Come on, guys. Go 3, 2, 1. It tastes just like the real one, but I feel a bit weird. I'm not happy birthday, dear me. Did we forget to say happy birthday, Grimace? I feel weird now. Well, I guess I should have said happy birthday first.